Alright, today we're going to do a style I call Metal Mayhem. Alright, the question of the day is, who is Jason Revoke? Alright, let's run through the colors. Phthalo blue, turquoise, Indian yellow, red oxide, titanium white, Mars black. Alright, today we're going to do a painting in Metal Mayhem. So Revoke is the graffiti name for Jason, I think, Williams. So he joined the MSK crew back in the 90s. He painted with Saber, quite a few different graffiti artists. One of the biggest things they did was with Saber, he did one of these skyscrapers in LA that was abandoned. They had to kind of fight their way into a building with kind of drug users and all kind of stuff, and then paint their name on the top and, you know, escape. But he did several different graffiti. Recently he's kind of gone into more graffiti spray as kind of fine art. So he's gone into more abstract art and definitely kind of left behind his graffiti past, I would say. I think he just kind of did what he's going to do in graffiti, and he's kind of just wants to move on to a different style. So that's what he's trying. I think all artists get bored of a single style, and then we always want to evolve. From a gallery perspective, it always makes sense to kind of do one style for quite a long time before you switch. So then you have more kind of fan base built into the gallery system before you do that. So that's my recommendation of how you should handle the gallery situation, and that's Jason Revoke. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look. All right, we got a lot of nice, strong darks, blues at the top with a little bit of that green. A lot of grays in the middle with that red kind of poking through. Got a little bit of that gray poking through. Probably get a little bit better balance on the gray in this particular painting. Has not strong blues in this color at the bottom. I do think it looks pretty good. It looks lighter than when I just looked at it through the camera, so I'm gonna have to adjust the colors in the camera. They're off for some reason. But yeah, I think it looks pretty good. A lot of different cool shapes, a lot of good balance with the blues. The red's been blended pretty well. In my other painting, it didn't blend as well, so it was kind of a challenge because you have to work really fast to do this wet and wet through the whole thing in acrylic. I did not use the white as much as I did in the last painting, so I think that mistake has been corrected here. I used the gray lumpy gesso, so that's a little bit challenging to work with. And it blends, it's fine, but when it kind of lumps, it doesn't look as good as I'd like it to. It doesn't have that clean look paint would. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see the full version, check my Patreon account. And if you'd like to subscribe, you can subscribe below. And I'll see you in the next painting video. Thanks for watching, guys.